This is Saturday after Thanksgiving, and all of our families are in our neighborhood doing a neighborhood project. And what we're trying to do is fix the road for the neighbors. This is at the far end of the neighborhood from where our office is, but this road has become really bad, and so we decided that we would get involved and help by taking a Saturday and filling in all the potholes and doing the work ourselves, and trying to be a good example for the neighborhood of how we want to be helpful and useful, and we want to be a blessing where we live. There goes the mailman, and you see our folks spread out over the whole neighborhood. And this is our annual community mission project.